And we're pulling apart a large ram. We're going to put on the seal. I'm about to put the main seal in. Go down the bottom of the cylinder. It's just a clear tube.
Yep. Then 2 notches. 2 clicks in the torque wrench.
That's it. Now we've got clear. Yep.
I spy with my eye a hole.
Yep.
Clear to go.
Yep.
So he's telling me.
Clear to go. How about locking pin in?
Clear all the way to New York.
Go, go.
Must have lined up.
Yep.
Punch.
Yeah, don't hit the bloody thing.
Oh,
yeah.
Soft one.
Soft.
You know what that is? You know what that was originally
A
of?
nut.
That saw was a stopper.
Right, here we go.
If I stuff up, you've got to erase it.
That's it, she's through.
Done.
What tomato sauce? What type of brand?
No,
Rosella?
no, it's barbecue.
Barbecue?
Yep. It might be fountain or it might be,
Is it just hydraulic oil?
yes.
And you've just driven that pin in. Home.
Go in the right place.
Right. You've got the pin there, you've got a locating pin.
Yeah, that there. is
Come
where
around
there's-
here.
is where there's no holes.
No, there's only one rotating pin.
Yeah, but see,
You can see the difference.
which is the big one?
This little one here, that's your pin. That one.
Oh, because there's no marks from the cap heads, is there?
Right. We should be able to just push it in now, shouldn't we?
That's the plan. Do a little tap.